Hey everyone! Look what I've got for today's resin adventure. These amazing cabochon molds and this beautiful lotus flower dish. I'm so excited to play with these shapes. The oval cabochons are perfect for pendants and earrings, while this lotus dish is just begging to be filled with some sparkly resin magic. Stick around to see how we transform these simple silicone molds into gorgeous pieces you'll want to wear and display everywhere. Welcome to Happy Place Creations. If you're new here, I'm Connie, and if you're returning, welcome back. I'm thrilled you're joining me today for some creative fun with these versatile molds. We've got these fantastic cabochon molds with different sizes, perfect for creating matching jewelry sets, and this adorable lotus flower dish that makes the cutest trinket holder for your dresser or vanity. Whether you're new to resin or have been pouring for years, these projects are super satisfying and surprisingly simple. I'll share all my favorite tips along the way, so grab your supplies and let's create something beautiful together. All right, let's get this resin party started. I'm beginning by mixing up our Let's Resin epoxy, making sure to follow that crucial 1-to-1 ratio for the perfect cure. Now I'm dividing it into two separate cups, because we're going for a gorgeous two-tone effect today. In this first cup, I'm adding this luxurious gold mica powder. Just look at that shimmer. It's like liquid sunshine, isn't it? And in our second cup, I'm dropping in some of this dreamy pink metallic alcohol ink. Oh, and what's resin without some sparkle? I'm sprinkling in this fabulous mixed glitter to the pink cup. This is going to catch the light beautifully when it's all done. The color combination of gold and sparkly pink is going to look absolutely stunning in these cabochon molds and our lotus dish. I can already tell this is going to be one of those projects you just can't stop staring at. Now that we have our colors all mixed up and looking absolutely gorgeous, it's time for the fun part, filling these beautiful molds. But wait, here's a little pro tip I always follow. Before pouring, I'm going to spritz the molds with 99% isopropyl alcohol. See how I'm giving them just a light mist? This is such a game changer, folks. The alcohol helps prevent those pesky bubbles from sticking to the silicone surface. You definitely don't want to skip this step if you're after that crystal clear, professional finish. The alcohol breaks the surface tension and gives those tiny air bubbles a chance to escape before they get trapped in your design. Now that our molds are prepped and ready, let's start filling them up with our stunning golden pink sparkly resin. I'm going to pour nice and slowly from a bit of height, another trick to help any remaining bubbles pop as the resin flows into the molds. Aren't these colors just absolutely dreamy together? I can't wait to see how they turn out. I want to say a huge thank you to all my amazing subscribers and extend a warm welcome to anyone new here. I pour my heart into creating fun and engaging content, everything from resin art to craft tutorials. Your incredible support is what keeps this channel going, and I'm so grateful for each one of you. If you're enjoying what you see but haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost a thing. Your subscription makes such a difference to me. Dropping a like on videos helps YouTube share my content with more people who might enjoy it too. I absolutely love reading your comments, so don't be shy. Thank you so much for being here. You truly mean everything to me. And just like magic, after waiting for our resin to fully cure, it's finally the most satisfying moment, demolding time. Let's carefully peel back the silicone and reveal our creations. Oh my goodness, would you look at that? These pieces popped out beautifully. The Lotus trinket dish is absolutely stunning. See how the glitter caught perfectly around the edges of those delicate petals? It creates this gorgeous, sparkling outline that makes the whole piece come alive. It's like the petals are dipped in fairy dust. This would make such a perfect little dish for rings, earrings, or even as a decorative piece on your vanity. Now for our jewelry cabochons. These turned out fabulous. The gold and pink colors played together so nicely, and that shimmer is just to die for. I can already envision these as pendants, earrings, or even decorative elements for other crafts. Time to move on to the next step for our jewelry pieces. Stay tuned to see what we're going to create with these gorgeous resin gems. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more resin crafting projects. Hit that notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Exciting news, everyone! My videos will now be released every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at 6 p.m. Plus, I'm thrilled to announce that I'm offering free shipping for both USA and international orders through my eBay store. Don't miss out! Thanks for being here with me today. It truly makes a difference. Hit that subscribe button to join our growing community and stay updated on all the latest content. Can't wait to share more amazing videos with you. See you in the next one.